Hello there and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off harmful app detection on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So we're going to head over to quick settings. Go ahead and click on all settings and then we're going to move over to apps. So under the app section, we'll go to the bottom where we found security. And there you have an option that says turn or rather improve harmful app detection. So if you have this turned on, improving harmful app detection is good, but it's going to send unknown apps to Google for better detection. If you are using sideloaded applications or third-party applications, you may not want to have harmful app detection on because it's going to block the use of those applications. So toggling this on and off is helpful because if you turn this off, you will no longer have harmful apps sent to Google for detection, and you will no more have the possibilities of having your apps disabled because they are sideloaded or third-party apps and looked upon as dangerous and harmful to the Chromecast system. So just turn this off as you see me do here. I could just toggle it on and off, and that solves that issue. So if you have any other concerns, let me know in the comment section below. Like the video if it was useful, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.